boat. Just got a call for a truck that was at the boat ramp in Ilwaco, and the gentleman said that his truck is now up to the hood in water. I don't know if the tide's coming in or going out. He's got a line on it. He said we hooked to that. Well, we're just about 3 minutes out down here at the Port of Ilwaco. Okay. A while. I got one of these in Ilwaco or in Chinook a few years back too. You got it? Yeah, I'm gonna drive forward a little bit. Just keep an eye. If you guys tell me just go like that to make me stop, okay? Which way's the trailer? Your trailer point this way? You're gonna go right underneath that dock over there. I'm just wondering, hey guys, the trailer's still floating. I'm working down this side. We'll just push the boat trailer around. Looks like it's floating. As I'm moving it, if you guys can push that boat around, the trailer will line up. I just don't want to get the trailer. You guys swing the stern around. The trailer sideways now? How about if can we just cut the boat loose right there? We can cut the boat loose, get it out of the way, the trailer will swing right around. Now I'm afraid of it's gonna try and shove the truck into the dock, and there's stuff sticking up.
So you have bolt cutters, and I can cut that cable and get the boat off.
I got nothing.
Oh. But you see the trailer's pointing right that way. The boat's floated off, and we're trying to get it unhooked.
The problem is the boat's gonna end up on top of the wheels or the fender wells.
Go a long ways before that's gonna happen.
Yeah, but the problem is it shoved me over here, and there's stuff that'll hang up on this side.
If I had some bolt cutters, I could just cut.
We're gonna end up with the boat on top of the trailer, and we don't want to do that because that'll just tear the bottom of the boat up.
Yeah. And I got the tongue is kind of hung up under there, but I think it'll come around.
Dumb question for you.
Yeah.
Did you pull down here and forget to undo the cable, and the back end got picked up?
No, I had to get back in the boat to adjust it, and it jumped out of gear.
Oh fuck.
Yeah. Exactly.
See, I had one of these where the guy didn't take the cable off.
Yeah.
And he had the emergency brake on and park, and it picked the back of the truck up.
Oh wow.
And away he went. Yep. Son of a bitch.
You want me to go grab those bolt cutters?
He's going to get some. He's going to go get some right now, and we'll cut the cable.
All right.
I just don't want it on the wheel wells. That's what we're going to end up with right now. And it's right down here, we've got a whole bunch of stuff sticking out, and I don't want the back end to go against this and cave it all in. We're just waiting for them to get over here. We got some bolt cutters. He's going to bring his little raft around, and then we're going to cut the line off and swing the boat away from it. Otherwise, the boat will end up on top of the fender well in the trailer, and that's another whole problem we'd have to deal with. So we're going to try and get the boat away from it. And I got to tell you, when you cut it loose, it's not like it's going to come banging up. It'll come up. It just goes poop like that. It looks like it's going to come up fast, but they come up slow. Yeah. Watch that wood; it's slippery.
going? Yeah, because there's no fucking tension on that cable. It's that fucking safety chain.
So we're gonna see if we can't put the trailer back onto the boat back on the trailer. We're hoping maybe. What are you doing down here?
Something new every day, right?
Huh?
Something new every day.
I got my driver Tim's up in Oakland with a dump truck wreck. Lost the front axle on a dump truck blocking the state highway. This is the funnest job in the world, man. It is.
You like it?
Oh, fuck. It's a blast.
Something new every time, huh?
Oh, yeah. I had a car and a surf. I had a rental car, BMW, almost to surf yesterday.
Really?
Kid from Chicago, never been to the beach before. Took it out there at high tide. Boy, he was sweating buckets.
Wow.
We'll go see how these guys do. Does the emergency brake work?
No.
It doesn't work at all? Huh?
See if he can get it back into gear.
Oh, it's a manual.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I'll put it in reverse. We'll see if that holds. Move your truck out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up there on the white spot up there. I'm gonna have you come back and steer it just down the running board, and we'll get it up there so I can unhook it. Okay? Oh no, he's got another truck here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, he's got another truck, so he's in good shape. I'll just pull it right around the corner, Frank.